Uncover the cutting-edge construction technologies transforming how we build, enhance efficiency and durability to set new industry benchmarks. Venetian glass bricks. These Venetian glass bricks are a beautiful way to bring more natural light into buildings. Made from high quality glass, they come in different color and design. They let light through while still providing privacy and insulation. Using these bricks can cut down on lighting energy used by up to 20%. The cost about the same to install as regular bricks and are durable and eco-friendly, adding lasting beauty to any project. Road printer. The road printer is a game changer for building roads. This automated machine can lay up to 400 meters of road per day, speeding up to projects and reducing labor cost by about 40%. It uses GPS and laser for accurate placement and thickness. So there are few mistakes. It also uses material more efficiently, saving up to 20%. Roads built with a road printer are just as strong and durable as traditional roads. While the initial cost is higher, the efficiency and long-term savings make it smart choice for big infrastructure projects. Lexel X1. Lexel X1 is a modern lighting system that looks great and save energy. Each module uses advanced LEDs and can be customized to create different lighting effects. Lex X1 can reduce energy used by up to 50% compared to older lighting systems. The modular design makes it too easy install and maintain. Each module is about 1 square foot with a lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Lex X1 saves you money on energy bills and is a sustainable light choice. Stellium. Stellium is an innovative building system that combines beautiful design with structural strength. Each Stellium module can be customized to fit different building needs. Its versatile improves design and reduces construction time by 30% compared to traditional methods. Made from very strong materials, Stellium module can withstand earthquakes and last over 100 years. They also have fire resistant features and mate strength building codes. While the initial cost is higher, the long-term saving in labor and maintenance makes Stellium a sustainable choice for future buildings. Vault Edge Artificial Grass Edging. Vault Edge are simple but effective way to create clean borders for artificial grass. These edging pieces are made from a strong plastic, some even from recycled material. They are about 6 inches tall and come in different lengths. They stop the infill from spilling over and keep your turf looking great for longer. They are easy to install, which can save you up to 30% on labor cost compared to the older method. They are designed to last over 10 years with very little maintenance, making them a smart choice for homes and businesses. Hager Unibar H. The Hager Unibar H is a powerful electrical system designed for businesses and factories. It's built with strong components and safety features to ensure reliable power with a minimal maintenance. Each unit can be customized to fit different power needs. It's designed to improve energy flow, which could save you up to 15% on energy cost each year. With the lifespan of over 20 years, It's a great investment for long-term energy savings. Geofoam. Geofoam is a lightweight material used in construction to stabilize soil, providing insulation and reduce the weight on structures. It's usually made from expand polystyrene. These blocks come in different sizes from small ones for landscaping to large panels for highway. Geofoam is very strong and can support heavy loads while preventing soil erosion. It also helps with energy efficiently by providing thermal insulation. It's designed to last over 50 years and is quickly to install, which can save up to 30% compared to the traditional materials. It's also eco-friendly and non-toxic, making it good for environmentally sensitive projects. Vortec. The Vortec is a new way to build with concrete that makes structures stronger while using less material. Each Vortec unit is made from lightweight, recyclable material and to easy install. It can speed up to construction by up to 40% compared the traditional method. Vortec also make construction sites safer by reducing the risk of digging and improve worker efficiency. It's designed to handle heavy loads and tough conditions and last over 50 years. With competitive cost and eco-friendly features, Vortec is a great choice for modern buildings.